Could you ever imagine a world where pharmaceutical dose calculations are fully automated, accurate to the minutest detail, and personalized to each patient's unique physiology? Now that's a future worth exploring. In the realm of healthcare and medicine, pharmaceutical dose calculations hold an indispensable position. They are the linchpin that ensures the effectiveness of treatments and safeguards against possible medication errors, a significant cause of patient harm. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is practically non-existent. So what does the future hold for this critical aspect of healthcare? Consider a world where this process is not only automated, but also precisely tailored to each patient's unique physiological makeup. We're talking about a world where your genetic makeup, your lifestyle, your diet, and even your gut microbiota are all taken into account when determining the right dosage of medication for you. This is the future of pharmaceutical dose calculations, a future where precision medicine reigns supreme. This futuristic vision may seem like something straight out of a science fiction novel. However, the reality is that we are steadily moving towards this future. Advances in technology and medicine are converging to revolutionize the way we approach dose calculations. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advancements in genomics are all playing a part in paving the way towards this future. But why is this so important? Well, personalized medicine is the next frontier in healthcare. It's about treating patients as unique individuals, not just as another statistic. It's about delivering the right treatment to the right patient at the right time, and accurate, personalized dose calculations are a crucial part of this equation. So as we stand on the precipice of this exciting new era, it's worth looking back at how we got here. How did pharmaceutical dose calculations evolve over the years? What are the current methods in use, and how do they compare to what's on the horizon? As we delve into the history and evolution of pharmaceutical dose calculations, let's keep this futuristic vision in mind. The pharmaceutical industry has been a silent witness to the evolution of dose calculations from rudimentary guesses to precise measurements. In the early days, dose calculations were akin to a guessing game where trial and error were the primary methods for determining the appropriate dose of a medication for a patient. This was an era marked by uncertainty, as the efficacy of a drug could be significantly impacted by a miscalculated dose. In some cases, a dose that was too high could lead to severe side effects or even toxicity, while a dose that was too low might result in ineffective treatment. The birth of standard doses marked a significant step forward. These were developed based on the average patient profile, taking into account factors such as body weight and age. This method, while significantly more reliable than its predecessor, still had its limitations, as it did not consider individual patient characteristics that could influence drug metabolism and response. The introduction of mathematical formulas and algorithms in dose calculations was a game changer. These formulas took into account numerous patient-specific factors, such as kidney function, liver function, and age, to name a few, allowing for a much more personalized approach to dosing. With these calculations, healthcare professionals could optimize the efficacy of a drug for each individual patient, significantly reducing the risk of under- or overdosing. However, these mathematical formulas, while much more accurate, were also complex and time-consuming to calculate. This led to the development of computerized systems and software to perform these calculations, increasing efficiency and reducing the risk of human error. The evolution of dose calculations has been a journey marked by continuous innovation and improvement, driven by the relentless pursuit of accuracy and patient safety. And now we stand on the precipice of another revolutionary leap forward in the field of dose calculations. Today, the calculation of pharmaceutical doses is a blend of science, mathematics, and a dash of art. From the moment a medication is prescribed until it reaches the patient, a series of meticulous calculations take place. Each calculation is crucial as it ensures the right dose is given to the right patient at the right time. At the heart of this process are the pharmacists, the unsung heroes of the medical world. They are the ones who handle the mathematical equations that determine the ideal dosage for each patient. They use complex formulas that consider factors like the patient's age, weight, organ function, and the specific medication's pharmacokinetics. But let's not forget these calculations also incorporate a bit of art. Each patient is unique, and the one-size-fits-all approach often doesn't apply. Pharmacists must consider individual patient factors, potential drug interactions, and possible side effects, all while ensuring the dose is efficacious yet safe. However, while the current system is robust, it is not without its limitations. For instance, the calculations are time-consuming and the risk of human error is ever present. Additionally, these methods may not always account for the wide range of variables that can influence drug effectiveness, such as genetic factors, lifestyle, diet, and coexisting health conditions. There's also the matter of drug formulations. With a myriad of forms and strengths available, from tablets and capsules to injections and infusions, the calculation process becomes even more complex. Moreover, in our fast-paced world, the demand for quick, precise, and personalized medicine is growing. The current methods, while effective, can sometimes fall short in meeting these requirements. Finally, let's touch on the issue of patient adherence. The complexity of dose calculations can sometimes lead to complicated dosing schedules, which may affect patient adherence to medication regimes. However, the future holds promise for a more streamlined, accurate, and personalized approach to dose calculations. And as we look ahead, we can see that the horizon is filled with exciting developments that are set to revolutionize the field of pharmaceutical dose calculations. Imagine a world where pharmaceutical dose calculations are as unique as the patients they serve. Picture a future where every dose is tailor-made, precisely calculated not just on the basis of the disease, but also considering the patient's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and personal health history. This is not a fanciful vision. It's a reality that's gradually unfolding, powered by the twin engines of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technological marvels are set to revolutionize the way we approach dose calculations, making them more accurate, efficient, and personalized than ever before. AI and machine learning algorithms have the potential to analyze vast amounts of patient data in real time, helping healthcare professionals to determine the most effective dosage for each individual patient. They can factor in variables that humans might overlook, such as subtle interactions between different medications or the impact of specific lifestyle habits on a drug's efficacy. But the future of dose calculations isn't just about making them more precise, it's also about making them more accessible. Imagine healthcare workers in remote or underserved areas having access to sophisticated dose calculation tools via their smartphones or tablets. This could significantly improve patient care in these regions, ensuring that everyone, regardless of where they live, gets the right dose of medication at the right time. Personalized doses made possible by AI and machine learning hold immense promise. They could minimize side effects, improve patient compliance, and ultimately enhance treatment outcomes. In other words, they could transform the way we treat diseases, making healthcare more effective and patient-centric. Sure, there are challenges to overcome. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the need for robust validation are all issues that need to be addressed. But with the right regulatory frameworks in place and a commitment to ethical AI, these can be managed. The future of pharmaceutical dose calculations is not just a dream, it's a reality that's slowly taking shape. And as we move towards this future, one thing is clear: the possibilities for improving patient care and outcomes are virtually limitless. In the realm of pharmaceutical dose calculations, we've come a long way, and yet the journey is just beginning. From the early days of manual calculations and educated guesswork, we've ventured into an era where technology and scientific discovery are transforming the way we calculate doses. Our journey through this video has taken us on a fascinating exploration of this evolution, charting the course from a past steeped in tradition to a present marked by innovation and a future brimming with possibilities. The cornerstone of this future: automation. As we've seen, automated systems promise to revolutionize dose calculations, eliminating human error and ensuring consistent, reliable results. These systems will not only streamline the calculation process, but will also free pharmacists to focus on other critical aspects of patient care. Yet, automation is just one piece of the puzzle. The future also holds the promise of accuracy, a critical factor in dose calculations. Innovations in technology and data science are paving the way for precise calculations that consider a wide range of factors, from a patient's weight and age to their specific health conditions and even their genetic makeup. But perhaps the most exciting prospect is that of personalization. As we move forward, we're looking towards a future where dose calculations are not just accurate, but tailored to the individual. This means that each patient will receive a dose that is not only safe and effective, but also uniquely suited to their specific needs. This vision of the future isn't just a dream, it's an attainable reality, one that is being shaped by the tireless efforts of scientists, pharmacists, and innovators across the globe. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're creating a future where pharmaceutical dose calculations are more than just numbers on a page. They're a tool for delivering safer, more effective, and more personalized care to patients everywhere. As we stand on the brink of this exciting future, one can't help but marvel at the possibilities that lie ahead in the world of pharmaceutical dose calculations.